Hi guys, Luke here from healthiersouthshields.com and Fitness Camp Academy South Shields, and I've got a dose of the hiccups. I want to share with you the ultimate hiccup cure. Okay, this is guaranteed to work every single time, right? So you want a big glass of water or a bottle of water, okay? You want to fill your mouth with water completely so you can't have any more. You're going to stick both of your fingers right in your ears so you can't hear, right? And you're going to tilt your head back and take 3 big gulps until the water's all gone. This will 100% of the time cure your hiccups. You might think I'm daft, but watch and observe. When you're gulping and you've got your fingers in your ear, you should actually feel your ears sort of slightly suck your fingers in. It's obviously all connected inside your head. And I'm not actually sure of the science on why this works, but I don't have hiccups anymore. Okay? And I get pretty violent hiccups when I get them. I get like, like really taken back horrible hiccups, and they make me angry. But this really works, guys, okay? Give it a go. Honestly, next time you get hiccups, big gulp water, fingers in the ears, head tilted back, 3 gulps, slow, nice deep breath, back out. All my hiccups are cured, see? All gone. Right, peace out, guys. Till next time. See you later.